Welcome viewers. Unboxing. Samsung unveils exclusive Galaxy Z Flip 7 Olympic Edition 2027. Design and build. Ultra slim foldable body. Armor aluminum frame next gen. Flex ceramic glass more durable and scratch resistant. Special Olympic Edition finish gold accents plus themed colors. IPX9 water resistance enhanced protection for a foldable. This special edition reflects the collaboration theme between Samsung and the Olympic Games. Main display. 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED flex display. 2K resolution. 1 Hz 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Vision Booster 3.0 improved outdoor brightness. Crease mini azimuth technology nearly unupdatable fold line. Cover display. 4.1 inches edge-to-edge smart cover screen. Always-on widgets. Full app support. AI smart shortcuts. Performance. Snapdragon Gen 2027 Elite chips. 4 nanometers enhanced AI architecture. 12GB 16GB RAM variants. 256GB 512GB 1TB storage. Dedicated on-device AI engine. AI features 2027 era. AI Live Assistant real-time task handling. AI Camera Director mode. AI Battery Learning Engine. AI Translation offline capability. Smart Flex Mode automation. Camera system. 60p main sensor ultra adaptive pixel. 12p ultra wide. AI Night Fusion 2.2. 8K door video recording. Pro Sports Mode high-speed motion capture. Battery and charging. 5000 mAh dual cell battery. 65W super fast charging. 40W wireless charging. AI power optimization. Audio and multimedia. Dolby Atmos Flex speakers. Adaptive sound AI. Noise isolation recording. Connectivity. 6G ready. Wi-Fi 7E. Satellite emergency link. Ultra-wideband Gen 2. Olympic exclusive extras. Custom Olympic themes and wallpapers. Limited edition boot animation. Exclusive collector packaging. Digital Olympic badges. Overall impression 2027 concept vision. This device isn't just a foldable, it's a statement flagship. A perfect fusion of luxury, AI, and sports-inspired design.